When you're wired for achievement, feeling stuck hits different. It's like something inside of you is lagging behind, or you can't quite get that same fire going. And it's scary and it's frustrating as hell. Though it may feel like it, this isn't failure. It's feedback from your body telling you that it's time to slow down and reset. Hey, I'm Ebony Crane, an EMDRIA-Approved Consultant, and I provide EMDR Intensive programs to high achievers who've done all the things. Built a career, hit the goals, checked the boxes, but are suddenly feeling stuck, not just mentally, but in life. That stuckness is not random. It's your body signaling that you've been running on mental overdrive, and it's time to put yourself first. Today, I want to share 2 EMDR-based grounding tools that help you get out of that overdrive and back into yourself so you can feel calm, clear, and steady again. When your thoughts start spinning, your nervous system is often stuck in high alert, trying to protect you, not punish you, of course. Sometimes what looks like I can't focus is really your system shifting from that revved up state to a state where things feel heavy or far away. That happens when you've been on for too long without enough signals of safety to return to your balance. Your body isn't failing, it's signaling. Why does slow bilateral help? Gentle, rhythmic left-right tapping gives the nervous system a predictable, safe pattern. That rhythm engages both sides of the brain, and it helps your body feel safe enough to settle. We're not processing deep material here. We are resourcing. Slow bilateral tapping tells your body you're safe enough to be here right now. Cross your arms over your chest, such as a butterfly or gorilla tap. You can also rest your hands on your thighs, but I'm going to do my butter. And I want you to tap slowly here, left, right, and just breathe. And I want you to notice what shifts, right? Your shoulders drop, breath deepen, the noise in your head soften. You're not forcing calm, you're inviting it. Once your system starts to settle through rhythm, the next step is to reconnect with where you are, to remind your body, I'm not in danger, I'm just distracted. That's where tool 2, orienting, comes in. Your nervous system may still be toggling between sympathetic, which is like an on guard state, and dorsal, which is a shutdown state. Polyvagal theory says that our bodies constantly scan for safety. This is called neuroception. If it doesn't find enough safety cues, it keeps you in protection mode. Orienting through your senses gives your body new data. I'm here, I'm safe right now. That message helps the ventral vagal system, the part that supports calm, connection, and focus, come back online. Let's try it. Take a slow breath. I want you to name 3 things that you can see, 2 things you can feel, 1 thing you can hear. You're not trying to think your way out of stress. You're helping your body realize it doesn't have to keep guarding you. Over time, your system learns that calm isn't shutting down. It's being anchored while life keeps moving. So we're not bypassing or forcing calm here. We're saying, body, you first. Once your body feels safe, your mind can do what it's good at again. Clarity, problem solve, creating momentum. A client once told me, I'm doing everything I used to do, but it doesn't feel the same. She wasn't unmotivated. She was overstimulated. Once she started using tools like these, she didn't just feel calmer. Her focus came back. Her drive came back. She felt like herself again because she finally felt safe enough to do so. If this sounds familiar, if you're ready to feel grounded again, to get back to your life, check out the Purpose Reboot Intensive by booking a free consultation with the link in the description. It's where we clear the internal noise that's been getting in the way so you can move forward with calm, confidence, and purpose. During the intensive, we also spend time resourcing, developing tools like Calm Place and Container so you have solid ground to come back to no matter what life throws your way. I provide these programs in the state of Michigan, Illinois, and Texas, virtually, in person, and at our retreat home in Muskegon, Michigan. And if you're not ready to take this step, that's okay. If you enjoyed these tools, please subscribe to get more insight on what it takes to get back to your life. These tools are for educational purposes only and do not replace therapy. If you're having a crisis, please call 988 or your local emergency line. Reality is, you don't need to push harder. You just need to listen to what your body's been trying to tell you. Try these tools and notice what shifts when your mind and body starts working together again. You got